everyone and welcome to this video. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use a secret mystery box that I unboxed from Rossi in the last video. The first thing you're going to see me doing is using a alcohol prep pad. I'm going to go ahead and clean off the nail plate, and I am using my practice finger here just because I already do have nails in my own hand, but I still want to be able to show you all how to do your nails at home. It's actually pretty easy and effective. Alright, so in addition to wiping the nail down with the alcohol prep pad, I'm going to apply a layer of the base coat to the nail, and this will act as our resin in this process, so that way we can form the nail that we want with the dip powder. Alright, and so I'm using Skyscraper from Rossi, and we're just going to dip the nail in. I am going to turn the nail in the powder just a little bit, as you see here. It's not anything too dramatic, but this allows us to make sure we get an even layer and coating. And if there's any excess dust, just tap it off, and then aside from that, we'll just go ahead and brush the nail off in between layers. Okay, and just like before, we're going to apply another layer of the base coat, which you see me doing here, and then I'll apply another dip layer. So I'll dip the nail into the powder again, just like you see me doing here, and I'll continue these two steps until I achieve my desired depth and color. Alright, and I suggest doing these two steps about 3 times, so this will be my 3rd time applying the base coat layer, and then it'll also be my 3rd and final time of dipping the nail into the dip powder. Also, if you happen to get the dip on your base coat applicator, just wipe it off on a paper towel before putting it back into your base coat bottle. Alright, and for our 4th step, we're going to apply our Rossi activator, and we'll just let that dry for a few seconds. Alright, and now we'll take our buffer and we'll just gently buff the nail. Just to remove any bumps or lumps, but really I didn't have any lumps or bumps in the nail. It really applied fairly smoothly, so you all should pretty much have the same experience. And then once we finish buffing the nail, we'll then apply another layer of the Rossi activator. Also, like I mentioned before, we'll just remove any dust and debris with a dust brush. Alright, and for the 5th and final step, we'll apply a layer of the top coat, and then we'll let that dry for about 30 seconds. And then once the 30 seconds is up, we'll apply another layer of that same top coat, and then I would suggest you let that dry for about 30 seconds to a minute. And then after that, once everything is dry, you can enjoy your manicure, and it says it should last up to 3 weeks, so that's really awesome. So definitely, if you're looking for an alternative to the salons and you want to do your nails at home, so yeah, you guys, I definitely recommend this as an alternative to the nail salon to get a manicure that's going to last you a long time. And it's great for DIYers, so hopefully you all will go over and check out Rossi's website and order your own mystery box. This was so much fun opening this up, and you never know what color you may get, or you could just buy your own color. But yeah, so I hope you all enjoyed the video and that you'll give this company a try, and I'll see you all in the next one. Alright, bye.